Good day. This is your market review, detailed market review for the Kamloops area for June of 2026. Kamloops area is actually doing relatively well, but it has been flat for a little while now, meaning just no upward or downward pressure on prices or sales. And if you look at this absorption column here, it looks pretty consistent. Like you had 20.85% in July of 2025, you got 20.21% in June of 2026. And in every year it goes down in the beginning of the year or in the winter as sales fall off and then rises again in the spring and summer. So you look at our absorption here, we're at the high end of balanced here. And if you look at, say, an average this year, so the average this year is about 17.68%, and the average January to June last year is about 16.88%. So very, very similar, flat, and sales are kind of the same. You look at the Kamloops area, there's been an average of this little number down here, 96 sales per month so far this year. And if we go back to last year, the same period of time, you had 98 sales per month. So compared to some of the other areas, it's fairly consistent. It's in a good state. It's in the above. There's not really any upward or downward pressure on prices. And it's just basically flat. Let's just have a look at prices and see if that's true. So we'll average January to June. So these figures are average price for the month, and we're averaging that out over 6 months. So 722,000 was the average sale price from January to June of 2026 for single family detached homes. And then if we go down and do the same calculation, last year it's 720. So almost exactly the same. So that's the word on the street for the Kamloops area is flat. It's a reasonably strong market. It's in the high end of balanced, bordering getting into that seller's market. And I think you'll probably see the same for the rest of the year as we go forward, as long as nothing major happens like interest rates rising or falling or something like that. That's it for Kamloops for June of 2026.